Good day everyone, I'm Lance from Cherry Commercial Group. Today in the Shanghai Exhibition Center, I'm going to present you with an introduction of our Jetour X70 Plus. So before I officially introduce our car, I would like to explain our meaning of our Jetour blend. As you can see, Jetour in English is combined in two words. One is for jet, another is for tour, so it reminds you of a jet plane and traveling, but actually, behind this entrance in Chinese, it has something different in translation. In Chinese, the jet means a fortunate career and tour, which means every person is fighting for his own career in different ways. Some could be a teacher, someone could be a lawyer, but in the end, they're all fighting their own life by hard work. So we hope every person who driving a Jetour cars can like our brand, working hard and reaching their final goal happily by its own hard working. Okay, so this is for our meaning of Jetour.